Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to deploy your personal website using GitHub pages. It's a simple and free way to get your website online started. And the free requirements you need to require. What are the free requirements? I will show you. The free requirement means you need to create a GitHub account and add your repository and upload your HTML page in the repository and deploy your website. I will show these all the steps in the practical how you can do this process. Once you have put your repository, here the repository created and I added the HTML page and pictures of the particular website HTML page tag. Is all the things done? Just go to settings, the same repository, and go to pages. The pages you can it will be show documents dot will be show like that, but you need to change. You need to change root and save this. Once it's saved, you can go to code. The code you will see the progress in the. It will be automatically deploying the website. It will be in progress. It will take around 4 to 3 to 4 minutes, not 30 to 40 seconds. It will be deployed. It means you need a HTML page properly. You have any dot, use any a tool like I'm using GPT. I deployed my HTML page. It's deploying in progress. It's completed. Go to summary. Is the deployment page completed? Just click this. Yeah, it was deployed, and I need to put this URL into my personal website. I am put it already. Just you can showcase yourself. You have a personal website. That's all about, friends. Thanks for watching. If you helpful this video, you can share with your friends. And any suggestions that need, you can comment in the below section. I will help you very happily.